This is TPC SAT Quick Tip number 10. We're in practice set 3, Module 2, Item 22. We're told that when x equals 0, y is 200. So let's start with the first answer choice. I am going to use function notation to type in this answer. Shift 6 makes an exponent. In the next row of the table, click plus, click table. We will start with 0 and go up 1. And we can go to 2 and stop there. For y1, let's type f of x1. Immediately, you'll notice that when x is 0, y is not 200. So let's go to the next answer choice. We're told that the number in parentheses is 200, and this exponent is x. Now when x is 0, y is 4. Also not correct. Answer choice C, we have a 200 here, an x here, and a 4 here. When x is 0, y is 0. So that one's not going to work either. So the correct answer is the last answer. When x is 0, y is 200. The correct answer is answer choice D.